Good morning. So it's exactly 10 o'clock in the morning, and I'm about to make a stew. And the reason why I'm about to make a stew is because it's kind of crazy how many kids go without food on a daily basis because their parents are too lazy, and they say it's too time consuming to make dinner. Like, it just completely blows my mind that people are that lazy and stuff, and they refuse to make dinner for their children. My child has a certain friend, and that's exactly how their mom is. There's a dad in the situation, but the dad works like 14 hours a day, and they don't eat 3 meals a day. They're lucky if they get 1 or 2 meals a day. So anyway, I got all this stuff for free. All this stuff, I got it for free. The carrots, the potatoes are out of my garden. Onions are out of my garden. The meat, I use my Optimum points. And this is actually like really too good for what I'm doing. But it is what it is. The gravy, they were like 69 cents a can. Again, I used my points for this and this. So this was roughly $9.50 worth of points. So this was free, and then this stuff was all out of my garden. Now, all I'm going to do is chop this up, add these two, chop and peel all this other stuff, and put it in the crock pot, and put it on low. Just put it on low. Low is 8 hours, high is 4 hours. This crock pot's seen better days. It has fallen downstairs. It still keeps going though. It has, the reason why it fell down the stairs, that's a really funny story. You don't put a crock pot on top of a Tupperware bin while you're trying to carry it up like 12 or 15 stairs. You just don't do it. So anyway, as you can see, the dents and stuff, I'm not really too worried about it because the thing keeps ticking. All right, anyway, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. And this is just, I use mushroom gravy. I absolutely love mushroom gravy, especially for poutines. This is the secret to my poutines, is mushroom gravy. So what I'm going to do is quickly peel the potatoes, peel and chop up the onions, peel and chop up the carrots, just chop up the meat, leave the fat on, pull the strings off, just chop it up, cube it up, little, really like 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter or 1 inch by 1 inch cubes, and jam it all in. Put your meat on the very, very bottom. Put your meat in first, and then put the rest in. All right?
It's the snow banana! Sadly, we just need ice. That's all he's missing. Oh, what are you eating? Look at this. Instagram jeans.
Before I add the gravy, I like to add garlic plus and a little bit of pepper. Just put a little bit of pepper in, garlic plus, and then I add the gravy. I don't mix the gravy right off the bat. What I do is I let the meat cook a little bit on the bottom, and then after about an hour, I mix the whole thing up so that the fat can start to render down that's in the bottom of it. Garlic plus. No salt. Don't add salt to it. There's enough salt in the gravy. It's been about an hour now. Now what I like to do is stir it all up. Get everything stirred up, mixed up, get all those spices and everything all agitated without burning my hands. Broken up like that. Put the lid back on. About roughly 4 hours and it's done. And this is it done. Look at the meat just falling completely apart.